If I don't smile a lot, it's because my cheeks have gotten so big that I have to like style my hair to like hide my cheeks. Oh my god. I'm gonna lose weight, okay? Just watch, just watch. They say when you enter single life, that's when you start losing weight. Okay, so we're gonna see if it's true. I'll let you guys know. Anyway, guys, today we're gonna be reviewing some eyebrow pencils. You guys know how much I love doing eyebrow tutorials. I'm obsessed with doing eyebrow transformations for you guys because you guys can clearly see my eyebrows are very thin. Like, I have some hair that has grown back, thankfully. So anyway, guys, I wanted to try these eyebrow pencils with you guys because I have not seen a lot of people use them. I see a lot of people using Benefit, and they also use a lot of Anastasia for brow products. So I wanted to show you guys these brow products. I'm going to compare these two together because they're both brow pencils. This is the Brow Power from IT Cosmetics, and this one here is the Brow Power Micro. So this is a thinner pencil. I want to see which one I like better. I have only tried the Brow Power, and I really do like this one, but I want to see which one I like better because I haven't gotten around to trying this one. I have the color Universal Taupe, and that's what we're gonna go ahead and proceed with trying. So let's get started with today's tutorial.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
So here is a comparison of both pencils. When you look at them, they both have a spoolie on one end. One of them has a thinner one, that's the Micro, and the thicker one is the Brow Power, the original Brow Power. So let's get started with this eyebrow right here. This eyebrow, I'm going to be using the Brow Power. I have been really enjoying this one, so I'm excited to try the other one and compare both of them. So again, this color is called Universal Taupe. And I'm going to begin by shaping my eyebrow. This is how I always start off my eyebrows. So I begin right over here and just connect to the corner out here. I actually really like this color. So I do kind of bring it out a little bit more further past my eyebrow. And then I'm just going to begin to very softly, like light-handed, I'm going to begin to fill in all of the gaps right here. Okay, you can see how fast I just did that. Okay, so once I have done that, I'm going to begin to fill in the top and go right over here and connect to that outer corner right there, and then begin filling in this area right here. I think this brow pencil right here is super good for on the go because you guys can clearly see how fast it just fills in your eyebrows because it is bigger. So you guys already see the shape of my eyebrow right there. And now I'm going to begin to work on this beginning portion of the eyebrow, and again I'm going in very light-handed like this. And this is where we're going to be carving it out, so if it's kind of messy right here, it's okay because we're going to be cleaning up our eyebrows. Okay, so that is basically all I do to fill in my eyebrows with this brow pencil. And I think we did that in original time. Like, I'm not fast forwarding this part at all. So I really like how that looks. Now we're going to go ahead and clean them up. I'm going to take some of my foundation on the back of my hand, and I'm going to go in with a flat brush like this. And then I'm just going to go ahead and carve them out. I usually use concealer, but since I don't have foundation on right now because I'm getting ready to film my next video, so I just don't want to get makeup on my eyebrows later, so we're just going to go in with our foundation right now to clean them up. This part is probably being fast forwarded because this is a little bit more time consuming because you have to be a little bit more precise with cleaning them up. And normally I would not clean up the top of my eyebrows, but again, since I don't have my foundation on, I don't want to get makeup on my eyebrows and then ruin what I just did. So there is the eyebrow cleaned up, and now let's go ahead and clean up the top. Just so that when we apply the foundation, it goes around this part right here. So you already have foundation on right here, so you don't have to get close to your eyebrows. Oh, fudge. No, I didn't mess it up. I'm good. I'm Gucci. Honestly, I said in the beginning of the video, like, damn it, was I not in focus the whole time? I said in the beginning of the video that you start to lose weight when you're single, but I'm honestly doing the opposite. I'm doing the opposite, dude. Oh, now that I'm super close to friends and family, I have like all these gatherings going on that they're like, oh, come eat or come do this, and it's like, oh, yay. But I'm being fed really, really well, so we'll see if I can lose this weight, because I did gain a lot of weight during quarantine. I'm not used to weighing as much as I do right now, and it has been very freaking depressing. Like, I feel really bad about myself and how I look. Alright, so now with my finger I'm just blending it all out. And there you guys have one of the eyebrows done. We're gonna go ahead and move on to the other one, but if you ask me, that looks pretty freaking bomb. I don't know if you guys can pick this up on camera, but I do have just like a little bit of the foundation kind of still looking very creamy underneath the eyebrow. I'm gonna take a clean sponge, and this is not wet at all. I'm just gonna go ahead and push it into my eyebrow, kind of like stamp it on, and it's gonna remove any product that I have on my eyebrow, just so that it's matte and it's not creamy, and then it doesn't mess up our eyeshadow later. So that's what I did, and now let's move on to using the Brow Power Micro over on this eyebrow right here. Let's see if we can get it to look the same, because again, my eyebrows are not twins, they are long distant. I don't know, like they're kind of friends, but kind of like not, you know. So see how high this one is? This one's a lot higher, so we kind of have to bring the eyebrow down here a little bit more, so we have to work on this area. So let's do that. Again, I'm going to start off with shaping my eyebrow. I definitely feel the difference with this eyebrow pencil. Like, you have to put in a little bit more work, but to me that's not an issue. I love doing eyebrows again, so I enjoy the process of it. Now my cheeks are very flush because I have rosacea, and like I just always look like I have pink cheeks. I'm working on my rosacea, okay? It's a skincare concern of mine. So then I kind of want to look at it from the mirror, like the mirror in front of me, and I want to make sure that they look symmetrical. So I know that I have to start the eyebrow right here. Let me go ahead and connect it. That looks about right. Okay, so now we have the shape. This is the shape that we're going to be working with. And again, I'm going to start off with the corner right here. And I'm just working on connecting this outer corner right now. And we're going to begin to fill in the eyebrow like we did with the other one. And this one's supposed to give you more natural brow strokes, but I do like this outer part to be a little darker than the rest of the eyebrow. So there is the outer corner of the eyebrow. Now we're going to go ahead and connect this part right here. This is the top of my eyebrow right here, and connect it to that. Okay, and let me get more of the pencil out. So now we begin the filling in, because we already have the shape. See, this one you definitely have to work a little bit harder, because it's supposed to just give you natural eyebrows. If you have naturally full eyebrows and you just have some gaps to fill in, this pencil is definitely going to be for you. Or you can mix it up between both pencils, because the other one would be faster for me. This one is going to give, this pencil is going to be perfect for this area right here, because this is where I wanted to look a little bit more on the natural side. So now we're going to begin working. Here we have our guide right here. You guys can see the line right there. So I'm just going to begin to like flick it up like that. Ooh, I really like this pencil. Oh my god, was it out of focus the entire time? I'm sorry, you guys. Again, I just moved and I'm trying to get used to this new setup that I have. It's basically the same thing, but some stuff are moved around and my lighting is not the same. So I'm pretty sure you guys can see how natural this part is. It looks really natural and very soft, and I really like that. If I cleaned it up, it would look really pretty, but then this one's gonna look a lot thicker and fuller, because this area right here is a lot fuller than this side. So it's quite a process. Like, I wish both of my eyebrows look like this side right here, but you know, we can't always get what we want. We have to kind of settle. Just kidding, don't settle. Settling is not good for you. So this already looks really pretty. Like, I wish I can end it there. Maybe I can. We'll see right now. This area right here needs to be filled in. So now we can go in with our spoolie and brush them and see if we still have any gaps to fill in. I am noticing that right here I need a little bit more filling in. Okay, let me go on this side. This one looks perfect. Alright, let's clean them up. So again, I'm taking my foundation. I still have some on the back of my hand and a flat brush. And I'm going to go in here and just clean them up. So if it's too creamy, just drag it down to the rest of your eye. Like so. Sometimes I want to have like a Britney moment and shave my head off with how freaking annoyed, and my anxiety makes me want to do that. And also my baby hairs drive me nuts. Like, oh my god. So there we have the bottom semi done. I'm probably gonna fix it a little bit more. I'm gonna take the sponge and blend the rest of the foundation onto my eye. Blend right here with my finger and out here. I think that they look semi-related, right? Like, they look... oh my god, these freaking hairs. Are we Gucci? See how this one looks right here? Like, that looks pretty. I love how that inner part looks on this eyebrow. It's just the other one that's the issue. So like, we have to make them look the same. So like, I'm gonna have to end up filling in this one more. And it's not the eyebrow pencil's fault. It's my eyebrows, okay? Now this one looks round and this one doesn't. What the fuck? Let me soften up this part, maybe. That's as good as that's gonna get. Okay, so here are my eyebrows. You guys let me know which one you guys like better. I tried to make them look as similar as possible, and I think I was able to semi-achieve that with these eyebrow pencils. I personally like the Brow Power pencil because it's so much faster to use when you're on the go. But this one right here, I really like for this inner portion of the eyebrow. It just makes them look more natural and softer, and I really like that. So you guys let me know your guys' thoughts about these pencils. Do you guys like the original Brow Power or the Brow Power Micro? Let me know down below in the comments if you guys want to shop these eyebrow pencils. I'm going to have them linked down below in the description box. I believe they are available at Ulta and Sephora. I'm not too sure about Sephora, but for sure they have them at your local Ulta. So they'll be linked down below so that you guys can take a look at them and see if there's other colors that match you. So again, I use the color Universal Taupe, and I really do like this color for my current hair color. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to leave you guys with my latest uploads linked right over here to the side of the screen. You guys can click on those videos and continue to hang out with me. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.